Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something so small that most people never even think twice about it. The 1 penny coin from the United Kingdom. Yes, that tiny copper-colored coin sitting in your pocket or coin jar might actually be worth real money. In this video we'll focus on two specific years, 2012 and 2016, because during these years certain mint errors and unique variations were made that turned some of these ordinary pennies into valuable collectible treasures. Some rare error pieces from these years have sold for £50, £100, and even more depending on condition and rarity. So make sure you watch closely and compare your coins carefully. You may just have a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Let's begin the search for valuable 1 penny coins. Let's get started. First up today we are taking a close look at the 1 penny coin from the United Kingdom, dated 2012, a commonly circulated coin that many people overlook, although it is often found in everyday change. Some specific varieties, mint conditions, and special quality strikes can make this coin worth much more than just 1 penny. So stay with us till the end because we will discuss value, rarity, market demand, subscription details, and how collectors evaluate these coins. The 2012 1 penny coin belongs to the decimal coinage system of the United Kingdom and is made primarily of copper-plated steel. The coin weighs 3.56 grams, has a diameter of 20.3 millimeters, and features a smooth plain edge. On the obverse you will find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, which was used from 1998 to 2015. The lettering around her image reads Elizabeth II D. G. Reg. Fid. DF, which is Latin for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. On the reverse side of the coin we have the shield of the royal arms, representing national unity and identity. The specific 1 penny coin displays the lower left segment of the shield, designed by Matthew Dent. When placed together with other denominations from 1p to 5op, the coins form a complete shield. This unique design is one of the most recognizable and admired features of modern British coinage, making the 2012 penny visually interesting for collectors worldwide. The Royal Mint produced a large number of 1 penny coins in 2012 for circulation. However, alongside standard circulation coins, there are also brilliant uncirculated versions, proof coins, and collector sets. These proof and uncirculated coins are struck with higher quality and sharper details, even though the circulated population is common. High-grade examples, particularly those in mint state MS65 to MS70 condition, can fetch higher prices due to their superior surface quality. Now let's talk about value. A regular circulated 2012 1 penny coin is generally worth its face value, which is 1 penny in the UK or just a few cents internationally. However, if you find a coin in uncirculated or near perfect mint state, especially graded by NGC or PCGS, the value can range from £1 to £10 depending on condition. Proof coins from 2012 collector sets can sell for around £3 to £12 again, depending on market demand and presentation packaging. Collectors are particularly interested in errors and varieties. Some examples of valuable errors include MIS strikes, off-center strikes, double die effects, and plating bubbles caused during production. If your 2012 penny appears to have unusual marks, missing details, extra metal, or distorted lettering, do not ignore it. These error coins can sell online from £5 to £150 or even higher depending on severity and collector interest. Condition plays a major role in determining value. Coins that have been in circulation often show scratches, dullness, or wear. However, a coin that has been stored carefully since 2012 and appears shiny, bright, and well detailed could be worth more. Look for sharp edges, clear lettering, and smooth surfaces free of contact marks. A coin with strong eye appeal always receives higher attention from collectors. For those wanting to invest, holding high-grade coins or unusual error examples is the best strategy. The market for British decimal coins continues to grow internationally, especially in countries where collectors admire the legacy of Queen Elizabeth II. Since the Queen's passing, there is increased nostalgic demand, and coins featuring her portrait may appreciate over time. Coins stored in protected holders or slabs maintain their value better than loose coins. If you are new to collecting and want to learn more about rare coins, values, market listings, and buying or selling tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We post new videos regularly covering rare coins, currency value updates, coin history, and hidden treasures that people often overlook in their daily change. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a 2012 1 penny coin, comment below whether yours is circulated, uncirculated, or if you believe it may have an error. Your comments help others learn, share, and grow as collectors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coin value videos, and as always, keep checking your change because you never know when a simple coin could be worth real money. Next up in today's exciting video, we are exploring the 1 penny coin from the year 2016 of the United Kingdom. This small copper-plated steel coin is often overlooked and considered ordinary change, but many collectors don't realize that certain mint variations, condition levels, and error strikes of this coin have real collectible value. So stay with us till the end because we are going to discuss its design, history, possible mint errors, market price, and how even a common coin can sometimes be worth more than face value. And yes, we will also talk about how to identify rare versions hidden among everyday coins. The 2016 1 penny coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark. This portrait is known as the fifth official portrait used on UK coins. The Queen is shown facing right, wearing the royal diadem with the inscription Elizabeth to DG Reg FD, followed by the year 2016. On the reverse, you will see a section of the royal shield, part of a larger shield design that completes across several denominations. This reverse design was created by Matthew Dent, who modernized UK coins in 2008 with this shield concept. The weight of this 1 penny coin is 3.56 grams and it has a diameter of 20.3 millimeters. It is made from copper-plated steel, giving it that classic reddish-brown appearance. However, these coins may develop color variations over time if exposed to moisture, circulation, wear, or chemical reactions. When grading coins, collectors look for details like surface quality, shine, sharpness of letters, and the presence of any scratches, dents, or discoloration. Remember, condition is everything in coin collecting. Now let's talk about mintage. The year 2016 had several millions of 1 penny coins produced, making it generally common. However, the Royal Mint sometimes produces limited runs, and coins made for collector sets or uncirculated mint sets can be more valuable than those found in pocket change. These brilliant uncirculated and proof set coins are especially struck with extra care, resulting in sharper detail and mirror-like surfaces. The real excitement comes when we talk about error coins. Errors can include MIS strikes, off-center strikes, double dies, clipped plankets, and incorrect metal plankets. If your 2016 1 penny coin has uneven spacing, unusual shine, doubling on letters, or missing design details, it may be a rare mint error coin, and these coins can sell for much higher prices depending on the rarity of the error. Let's talk about value. A normal circulated 2016 1 penny coin is usually worth 1 penny in face value, or around 1 cent, but in uncirculated condition, collectors may pay £1 to £3. Brilliant uncirculated mint set coins can be worth £5 to £10. Meanwhile, rare error coins can sell from £20 to £150, and in very unusual cases of dramatic mint mistakes, they may reach £300 or more. The key is always condition plus rarity. To identify value, collectors often use grading standards such as fine F, very fine VF, extra fine XF, and mint state MS. If your 2016 penny still has strong shine, sharp letters around Elizabeth and 1 penny and no visible scratches, it may be in MS condition, which increases value drastically. Always store your valuable coins in plastic capsules or holders to protect them from oxidation and scratches. Where should you check prices? You can use websites like eBay, sold listings, Numista, and NGC Price Guide to see real-world selling values. Do not rely only on Google Images or unrealistic listed prices. Always check recently sold auctions because they show what collectors are actually paying. Also, local coin shops, coin fairs, and Facebook collector groups can provide great trading opportunities. Before we continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos about rare coins, valuable currency, and hidden treasures that could be sitting in your pocket right now. Your support helps us grow and bring you more valuable content every day, so please take one moment and hit subscribe now. Thank you so much. In conclusion, the 2016 United Kingdom 1 penny coin may seem like a normal everyday coin, but with the right condition, mint setting, or rare error strike, it can definitely be worth far more than its face value. So start checking your coins carefully. You never know, you may already be holding a collectible piece of British numismatic history. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another interesting and potentially valuable coin story. Keep collecting, keep learning, and keep searching for hidden treasures.